Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is lesson 8, finding unknown side lengths. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So here we have a right triangle. We want to find the missing side of C. So we have the square root of 10 squared plus the square root of 40 squared equals C squared. Remember, since we have right triangles, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So the square root of 10 squared is just 10. The square root of 40 squared is just 40. Equals our C squared. 10 plus 40 is 50. To find just C, we take the square root, so C is the square root of 50. All right, for B, here it's a little different. We're looking for B instead of C. So we have the square root of 8 squared plus B squared equals the square root of 26 squared. So square root of 8 squared is 8 plus B squared equals 26. We subtract 8. So we have B squared equals 26 minus 8 is going to give us 18. And we take the square root. So B is the square root of 18. So square root of 18. All right, a right triangle has side lengths of 2.4 centimeters and 6.5 centimeters. What's the length of the hypotenuse? So 2.4 squared plus 6.5 squared equals C squared, because it tells us those are the sides when we're looking for the hypotenuse. So 2.4 squared is going to give us 5.76 plus 6.5 squared is 42.25 equals C squared. If we add 5.76 and the 42.25, we get 48.01 equals our C squared. And so if we take the square root of that, so we can leave it as just 48.01, or we can actually take the square root and get an approximate, which would be approximately 6.93. All right, a right triangle has a side length of a half and a hypotenuse of a third. What's the other length? So we've got 1/4 squared plus B squared equals 1/3 squared. So this would be 1/16 equals 1/9. Subtract the 16th. So 1/9 minus 1/16 is going to give us 7 over 144. And so we take the square root of that, and that will be our answer. Square root of 7 over 144, or approximately 0.22 as a decimal. All right, find the value of x in the figure. So we have a lot going on in this figure, quite frankly. So first thing we have to do is solve for this side here. So I'm going to name it y. First, we need to solve for y, so then we can solve for x. So that being said, we're going to have 5 squared plus y squared equals the square root of 34 squared. So this is 25 plus y squared equals 34. We subtract the 25. So we have y squared equals, now we do 34 minus 25, which will give us 9. Take the square root, so y equals 3. So this, erase the y and make it a 3. So now in our new triangle, we have 3 squared plus x squared equals the square root of 18 squared. So 9 plus x squared equals 18. Subtract the 9. We end up with x squared equals 9. Take the square root. So ironically, x equals 3. So 3 was the same for both of those. All right, so a lot of practice using the Pythagorean theorem, and remember, it has to be with right triangles. It always has to be with a right triangle. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Your keyword for this lesson is right triangle. Right triangle. All right, bye guys.